Keep talking about making sides, never actually recorded making any sides. I really like making sides, and I like making things on fires. I've got a big paella pan, so we're going to slap together a super quick, super easy paella, because people make paella seem really complicated, and it doesn't need to be. So I'm just going to put a bunch of oil in there, more than you think you need. That's going to get good and hot. Then got a broad plate of sofrito, so a mixture of sauté vegetables, which I'm going to yeet in the pan here. We've got, let me just use my dirty glove here. So we've got celery, peppers, onions, and I've got some jalapenos on there as well. So this pan's going to be warm now. Yeet. Where's my spoon? I have a spoon. I'm going to lower it down. We want these to start cooking up nice and fast.
Little wood thief.
Been sauteing my veggies now for just about 5 minutes, just enough to sort of take the rawness off them. They'll cook down when we get the water in, and we'll cook down and make a nice sauce. But for now, I'm going to throw in some protein. So, traditionally you use seafood. I'm allergic to shellfish, so we're using sausage. Chorizo sausage. Stir this in. This has just had a chance to just sweat down a little bit. Now, very quickly, I'm going to add my spices to this one. So my spices for today, we've got paprika, smoked paprika, oregano, black pepper, some diced garlic, and these exy looking things that, I mean, they're just so cute, they're just chicken stock. In they go. Fry these off real quick. Just killing my mate in the background. Killing myself. Oh, my eyes. Ooh. Big part of fire cooking is just not being able to see what you're doing. That's where the knack of just intuiting everything comes from, because you can't bloody see anything. So I want about 40 grams of rice. I've got about 9 people here. That's about, let's call it 300 grams of rice, which is about this much. That's about 300 grams of rice.
You can edit the maths in post.
The maths? Nah, do the math or take the bath, that's what we say. So what we're doing is just nice and fast, letting all the oil pull all the flavour into the rice, frying the rice off just a little bit. You're right there, Muffy.
I got a big dose of spice.
If we're going to do that outside kitchen thing, sometimes you just have to suffer. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Give this 20 minutes, let it cook out, make sure the rice doesn't dry off, and bam! Fire paella! So every time this simmers down, I'm just topping it up with a little bit of water. Like I say, 20 minutes, lovely paella. Starting to come together now, actually. Right, nearly done. Just going to add in a can of tomatoes for a bit of colour. Give them a stir in, let them cook off, and this paella is going to be done. Okie dokie, so it's been about 20-25 minutes or so, and look at this absolute bad boy. So we're going to take a spoon, we'll have a little taste, make sure it tastes good. I've already had a taste, I know it tastes good, but I'm going to do it anyway. So, cheers. Yep, I knew it tasted good. The benefits to doing this on a fire. There are no benefits to doing this on a fire, but it's fun. Anyway, oh shit, there goes my spoon. Let me get the oven gloves on. It is time to eat. So let me just pop it down on the table. Oh yeah. This looks like dinner time to me, boys. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me on tiny short videos about sides. Like and subscribe. Come on the Discord. Thank you.
Dickhead. Is this going to be one of them YouTube shorts?
Yes.
It's going to be one of them.